Another perfect set of brackets from Oshcut. They do such a nice job. Fast service. Those are going to be for my bumper. The bottom tube is the one that's going to come out, cut, and then as it arcs around, it'll line right up to the bumper. And then I have a top tube, which will all be welded to here with this gusset in between, like that. Then the top tube will kind of mimic the shape of the bottom tube. It might lean forward, but that wouldn't probably look right on a smart car. I'll probably just make them both equal. And that'll be the front with the new hood line. Will mount to that. And then the grill will be in between. And then we'll still have the grill down below. Nice and parallel. But the price you pay from changing a design after you make the brackets. I'll have to fill that in with a little scab of metal. I changed the design because I was going to have this up higher, but then I wanted to keep the hood line with the other one, even though it's going to cause some strange modeling in here future down the road, but I think it's coming out great. And the bumper will set on here, but it actually sits back about that far. This will just be support for that bumper to set on. And before I take it off, I got to make sure I have room for the radiator. I gotta drill a hole down there for the lower pin and maybe weld some brackets off of here for the radiator. And then I'll have to make up some brackets somewhere up in here for the hood pins. That's going to be a gamble because I don't even have any idea where the hood's going to be, but or what angle it's going to approach. But I have to make some brackets for the hood pins. Then I'm going to pull it off and finish welding it and shoot it a bright coat of red. Okay, here's the chain guide, the glide, machined out of solid nylon. And I got this little piece in here that matches the radius. And M6 bolts. And this will pop right into the existing water pump hole with the mounting bolt. And these bolts hold the glide. The other thing I did today is I gave my Smart car a cabin air filter. The original Smart just has this opening. So what I did is I printed, or I milled out these two back planes. They could have been one piece if I had enough material. But what I needed was a little recessed area for the air filter to sit right in. And this will be a frame with screws on it to take out when you need to change the filter. And all of this just matches the original. It'll just space it out a little bit, but I'll just bolt this in and it matches the size. Just drop the air filter in, put the frame in, and put screws around it. That would give my little smart car cabin air filter. Here's the chain guide. On lots of progress on the front. These are just tacked in place, and I got to fill in here because some dimensional changes from my original plan where I was going to do the hood line different, but it'll all work out. I'll just get a piece of metal, fill it in, get all this welded. I still have to weld in my radiator mount tabs. I got to make the hood pin mounts. But everything's going really well. I even set a level on it, and we're actually level across the frame. So everything's staying nice and straight. A couple updates for this week. We did get the limit straps in. So now there's limit straps on the suspension and the new polyurethane bushings for the sway bar. Got the brakes mounted with their little spacers right there. So now the brakes are mounted. Everything runs nice. Got the front clip mounted. I had to notch it out, had to cut it in half and cut it here, notch it for the engine. I even had to notch my little brace down in here from the original design. I didn't know where the engine was going to actually sit. So we got the fenders, kind of sit right up in here. Kind of like that. And you can see we're here, you know, I'm going to end up, because my other bumper sticks out, and I'll have a grill kind of right back in here. So I'm going to have to make the hood line kind of come out to this point. And I'm going to have a pretty blunt cowl hood. Goes up and over. I might change it around to just a snorkel hood so it's more level and tall out here with like a grill and then kind of curve down. That's all in the future design. So I still have to do the steering shaft. It's got to be welded back together. I need to cut this out and make an adapter plate for the grommet. My shifter linkage, it'll go through right in here somewhere. I got to get that going, and I can button up the chain, get the shifter, get the steering done, get the radiator in. There'll be lots more in my next video. But again, thank you for watching. And I got the back end all together. So finally got the back of the car all together. Just have to mount the diffuser once I get the jack stands out of the way. I'm gonna end up cutting my hood. This beautiful hood is gonna get chopped up because a new hood, about $300-400 just to get it here. The shipping is what kills you. So I've got plenty of pictures and videos of this one. It's going to end up getting chopped up. Unless someone really wants it, let me know.